Have you ever noticed something strange? You sit down to start an important task, maybe studying, writing, or working on a project. But suddenly, your brain tells you to check your phone, watch one quick video, scroll social media, or do literally anything else except the task you planned. It feels like your brain is working against you, but here's the truth. Your brain isn't lazy. Your brain is protecting energy. And once you understand how your brain works, you can actually hack it to overcome procrastination. Let's explore the science behind it. Your brain is designed to save energy. Your brain may only weigh about 2% of your body weight, but it uses around 20% of your body's energy. Thinking is expensive, especially deep thinking. When you try to solve complex problems, write something meaningful, or learn something new, your brain's prefrontal cortex becomes very active. This part of the brain is responsible for decision-making, planning, self-control, and problem-solving. But it also burns a lot of energy. So naturally, your brain prefers easier activities. Activities like scrolling social media, watching videos, playing games, or daydreaming. These require much less effort. So when you start a difficult task, your brain immediately asks, is this really worth the energy? If the answer feels uncertain, your brain will push you toward easier rewards. Your brain loves instant rewards. Another reason difficult tasks feel painful is because of dopamine. Dopamine is the brain chemical linked to motivation and reward. Your brain releases dopamine when you experience something enjoyable or rewarding. The problem is that modern life is filled with instant dopamine. Social media notifications, short videos, messages, games, each of these gives your brain quick rewards, but difficult tasks work differently. Studying for an exam, building a business, writing a book, or learning a skill often give delayed rewards. Your brain doesn't see immediate benefits, so it loses motivation. This is why starting a hard task can feel mentally uncomfortable. Your brain is basically saying, why struggle now when easier pleasure is available? The brain hates uncertainty. Difficult tasks often come with uncertainty. You may ask yourself, what if I fail? What if I can't do it? What if it takes too long? Your brain hates uncertainty because it triggers stress responses. When the brain senses uncertainty, the amygdala, the brain's threat detection system, becomes active. Even though the task is not physically dangerous, your brain still reacts as if something is wrong. The result? Avoidance. Your brain pushes you to escape the discomfort by switching to something easier. Decision fatigue makes it worse. Every day, your brain makes thousands of decisions. What to wear, what to eat, what message to reply, what task to do first. Each decision drains a small amount of mental energy. By the time you sit down to do a difficult task, your brain may already be tired. This is called decision fatigue. When decision fatigue hits, your brain automatically chooses the path of least resistance, and difficult tasks rarely feel like the easiest option. The good news is, you can train your brain. Even though your brain naturally avoids difficult tasks, you can train it to work differently. One powerful method is called the 5-minute rule. Instead of forcing yourself to finish a big task, simply tell your brain, I will work on this for just 5 minutes. This reduces the brain's fear of effort. Once you start, something interesting happens. Your brain enters a state called task engagement, and it becomes easier to continue. Often, those 5 minutes turn into 30 or even an hour. Another strategy is breaking tasks into smaller steps. Your brain feels overwhelmed when a task looks too big, but when the task becomes small and manageable, it feels less threatening. Finally, remove distractions. Your brain will always choose the easiest dopamine source available, so make sure your environment supports focus instead of distraction. The real secret. Your brain doesn't hate difficult tasks because you are lazy. It hates them because it was designed to conserve energy and avoid risk. Thousands of years ago, this helped humans survive. But today, the biggest achievements in life require doing things that are mentally challenging. The key is not fighting your brain. The key is understanding it and working with it. When you learn how your brain truly works, difficult tasks stop feeling impossible, and they start becoming the path to growth.